So today's practical for BPharm 5th sem industrial pharmacy practical is atropine eye ointment. The aim of the experiment is to prepare 10 gram of atropine eye ointment. The quantity to prepare is 10 gram. The reference is drug formulation manual by DPS Kohli and Shah. The formulation given, that is ingredient atropine sulfate, liquid paraffin, cetostatiol alcohol, white shot paraffin, hard paraffin. The official formula is given. The working formula will be determined. Then the procedure is the required quantity of cetostatiol alcohol, hard paraffin and white shot paraffin were melted. To this, the liquid paraffin were added. For effective sterilization of ointment base, the mass was allowed to cool to a semi-solid state under aseptic condition. The atropine sulfate was dissolved in small volume of water for injection. Then it was added to the semi-solid sterilized base under continuous mixing. Then it was filled in a sterilized tube, sealed and labeled. The different chemicals to be taken are liquid paraffin light, then white shot paraffin or white petroleum jelly, then cetostatiol alcohol, then hard paraffin, and at last that is the drug atropine sulfate monohydrate. All the ingredients are weighed on this electronic balance. At first, the atropine sulfate is taken on a oil paper. The required quantity is 0.1 gram to be weighed on the balance. At first, weigh the atropine sulfate on the balance, that is 0.1 gram. Now the atropine sulfate was weighed. Now cetostatiol alcohol will be weighed on the balance. Now the cetostatiol alcohol was weighed, about 0.5 gram was weighed. Now the hard paraffin will be weighed on the balance. Now the hard paraffin was weighed. Now the petroleum jelly or white shot paraffin will be taken for weighing on the balance. Now the white shot paraffin is taken for weighing. About 8 gram will be weighed on the balance. Now the white shot paraffin was weighed. Now all the ingredients are taken for heating on a Bunsen burner. Now at first the white shot paraffin, then hard paraffin, then cetostatiol alcohol were taken and transferred to the beaker containing white shot paraffin. All the ingredients were melted. Now the liquid paraffin was transferred to the beaker containing all the ingredients. About 0.5 ml of liquid paraffin was poured on the beaker containing the melted ointment base. Now the atropine was transferred to the beaker containing small volume of water. The atropine was transferred to the beaker containing small volume of water and mixed properly with proper stirring of this with a glass rod. Now the atropine solution was transferred to the beaker containing the ointment base and mix it properly with continuous stirring with a glass rod. For complete ointment base. Now this preparation was taken for cooling. After cooling, the ointment will be prepared. Now the atropine sulfate eye ointment was prepared. Then it was filled in an ointment tube, collapsible tube made up of aluminum. Then it was filled on the open end with a glass rod. In this way, you have to fill the ointment on the back side of the ointment tube and strike on a floor for complete filling of the ointment into the ointment tube. Now the 10 gram of the ointment was transferred to the ointment tube. Then it was taken for sealing. This is the ointment tube sealing machine. You have to place the ointment tube on the tube sealing machine in this way. In this way, you have to seal the open end in the ointment tube sealing machine. Now the ointment tube was sealed properly. Then it was labeled with a proper label. You have to take the plain paper and paste over the ointment tube in this way. You have to paste over the ointment tube in this way. Then over this you have to write the atropine eye ointment, then gram, then composition, etc. The ointment tube was now labeled with a proper labeling. That is, you have to write the atropine eye ointment on the top, then quantity gram, then each 5 gram contains the atropine, the ointment base, etc. All the practical should be performed in aseptic conditions. Before filling this, the ointment tube was sterilized on a autoclave for about 20 minutes. Now the conclusion should be written. The conclusion is the atropine eye ointment was prepared and its practical was found to be -%. You have to weigh the ointment tube before and after filling of ointment. Now the atropine eye ointment was prepared and the practical was finished.